Ako, hindi. It is not high for me at this moment, but during that year, napakataas nun. Bakit? Kasi kung ano yung rate ko ng SMM ng isang buwan, ay isang gabi ko lang na-earn as a funnel designer. Before, ang usual package ko, $500 to $800, no? As social media manager. Kasama yung mga post, kasama yung engagement, lahat na yata kasama na, pati meeting. And, nung nagbenta na ako ng funnel design, isang gabi lang, natapos ko yung buong funnel niya, at agad-agad on the same night, I received the same amount. Unang-una kong rate, $500. And imagine, 4 na oras na trabaho. Tapos, okay na agad. Kumpara sa isang buwan, it was really huge for me. Kung gusto mo maging funnel designer, I have a free webinar for you. Tuturo ko sa'yo paano magsimula, mag-build, mag-design, at kumuha ng client, all for free. Bibigyan kita ng access. Just comment funnel below and my team will reach out to you, or punta ka sa bio ko, click the link, register ka doon, and I will see you there.